Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
Hello there, guys. Nenny Manuel here from the Crypto Doctor. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about the coins I put up for taking positions on my last videos. If you haven't seen that, you can check those out, and to see if anything has changed, and to give updates on what I'm doing and so on and so forth, so you know exactly how my progress is going. So with Bitcoin, it's trending back up from this level, seems to have strong support at the 13,114 level. Now next I'm going to talk about my Bitcoin Cash holding. Bitcoin Cash still holding at an okay level, still trending upwards from my buy point, so no problems there. I expect to see some big growth, especially as the month comes to an end, hopefully the end of the month, the beginning of next month, because some big news are coming up for Bitcoin Cash, so hopefully a big pump. But if it starts to go down, then not so much. Now next coin I spoke about was ADA, Cardano. So with Cardano, I spoke that it should trend around this level. I'll put back the candlesticks. Now as you can see, if you are taking a position from on ADA Cardano, as at the day of that video, you will have you'll be presently holding a 26% profit on that trade, or even lower. Now it never reached my green buy line, so I didn't take a position because I feel it still has some room to correct after this sweet bull run, or you can call it whatever you think, but I feel it needs some more space to get back in the groove, to have some rest. But with the way the markets are irrational of late, you cannot gauge them due to rationale of having full market circles in all cases. So markets just don't want to have a full circle yet, and they have multiple circles in one go. So next is EOS. So I made a call on EOS somewhere down here when it started to make its move, and as you can see, if you are taking a position on EOS as at that point, you would presently be at a 43% profit. So congratulations to all those who took, or if you are taking profit at the final level that I had set up, you will have taken profit at way higher, I believe. Now with EOS, we can see this sweet rounded formation. Yes, you can see 79%. So you can see this sweet rounded formation. Now I'll put it back in the line chart, so we remove all the excess spikes and, as I call them, reflex reactions. You can see this sweet rounded position, and then we had the strong breakout. Now I do not believe this will break out higher, but if it does, it will first of all test around the moving average before making another move. So it's a risky call, but it's a chance to take a position into EOS. Now there's no specific resistance above this level till the 199,000 level, so you would expect to see, if EOS started an upward trend, we might not see it stop until it gets close to the 199,000. So there about 189,000, give or take, will be the level I will keep in mind to look for the movement on EOS. Now finally, I will talk about the coin I am presently looking to take a position into, which is Commodore. Now on Commodore, I'm looking to see if it will break above this downtrend line. Let me put back the candlesticks. As you can see, break above this downtrend line, because it seems to look like it's trending down, and you'd expect what happened in the past to repeat itself and it to flush away to a good level, possibly somewhere around the 39,000 Satoshi level, before me looking to take a position on it. But if it breaks above this level and goes to break the 68,000 Satoshi level, I'll take a short swing trade to see if I could take some profit at a 20 to 30 or 40% profit gain on the next levels above. So these are my levels for the trade. Now I try my best not to change the levels during the week, because this affect. So in case you need to see these levels, you could easily just go back to any of my videos where I made technical analysis to check on the levels I'm looking at, and to use this information as you see it fit in your trades or whatever you do. Use this information as just a backup for, or an additional information for when you want to make your trades. Do not copy my trades hook, line and sinker, because if I make losses, then I know my ability to make losses, but if I make gains, then it's all on me. So you have to be careful and not just copy anybody's trades, but to use the information and see how they think about these tokens. And just for a bonus, I will look at OmisGo. So as you can see, OMG is forming the same rounded kind of formation, so possibility to have a breakout soon. So that is just my look on OMG. You would want to be the person buying the bottom, not the person buying the top. Now I understand that this video might not have put up reasons other than technical analysis, and that is why it is called a technical analysis video, because I just look at what the trends show and what the probability is for an upward trend or a downward trend. So this has been Nenny Emmanuel, and I hope this has been helpful to you. Thank you very much, and I will most definitely see you on the next one. Peace out.